gentlemen, I have got an advanced technique that helps you solve when your building goes wackadoodle. So if your entire project has been working great and then all of a sudden it isn't, you can debug it by turning on step, doing CS house, and it pops up a little window that goes one step at a time. You can move this away, and if you hold the enter key, it'll do a lot of drawing so you can see where your error was. So I just noticed that mine is in the middle of my garage. So I'm going to hit cancel and let it finish drawing, and then I'm going to do file edit, and now I can go to the garage and figure out what I did that was silly. Sometimes it'll be a bad XY. Mine is just a crazy left 45 before my roof drew, and this roof was what was broke. So this is just a technique that lets you find where your error is in your project by once again hitting step, doing your CS house, and then just tapping the enter key and watching it build one step at a time. If you notice it is making that ding 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 ding, if you'd make sure that your stuff is quiet while that is happening, that is something I appreciate. So use that if you're ever stuck. Let me know and I'll also help you. Good job, and let's keep making our houses totally epic.